So you want to open a boutique, but you don't know where to start? Well, you're here at the right place. We're covering all the questions and topics with an overview checklist to get you started. Whether you're opening an online e-commerce store or brick and mortar store, or even both, you'll be guided to get you closer to launching your boutique. Click on the link in our video description or go to fashiongo.net/help-center to get your downloadable checklist as you watch this video. Section 1. Develop a strong business plan. First, it's important to ask yourself these several questions before starting a business. Why do you want to start a business? What will your business sell? Who is your target customer? Who are the competitors in your market and local area? If you want to find out the full set of questions worth asking before starting a business, be sure to download the checklist. Section 2. Have your paperwork ready. After you've created your ideal business plans, you'll need to decide on the legal entity name, business structure, and business location, online or offline. When choosing the business name, you'll want the name to be original, unique, and meaningful, not to mention available. Check for trademarks, domain name availability, existing social media handles, and more to ensure you can proceed with your desired business name. It's really important to carefully consider your business name choices since it will be the first impression to your customers. Speaking of choices, there are many different types of business structures such as LLC, partnership, incorporated, S-Corp, C-Corp, and more. So make sure to research and choose the one that benefits your business model. Next, register your business. Apply for a seller's permit or business tax document based on your state and apply for an EIN, an employer identification number, also known as the federal tax identification number. This is used to identify a business entity. Section 3. Get your boutique started online or offline. Finally, let's talk about how to actually start a boutique store. There are a couple of ways to open your boutique: online, offline, or both. To start an online e-commerce store, your first step is to check your domain availability closest to your business name. Set up a website using website creation sites and/or purchase a domain as a package with one of these commerce platforms. Complete setting up your online store by uploading your logo and include information about your boutique so customers get to learn more. To start an offline brick and mortar store, make sure to research where the store location will be, as the location will be very important. Some factors to consider in the area are understanding the demographics, analyzing the overall traffic flow, and calculating the expenses of the property. For more information like required systems and products, make sure you download our checklist to see a more thorough process. We know how opening a boutique can be confusing, especially if you don't know where to start. Again, it's linked in our video description, or you can go to fashiongo.net/help-center to download the checklist. Now that you have your business documents and store set up, it's almost time for the actual business launch. In our next video, we'll cover budgets and how many styles you'll ideally need to launch, when and where to shop this season's styles. Boutiques need to be one season ahead to sell to customers. How to find the right vendors and styles for your boutique. Get ready to make good buying decisions and key takeaways, and how to promote your official launch. See you soon.